2 of the Ancient Civilizations game is making a flowchart. While this may look complicated, it's really pretty simple and it really saves an awful lot of time organizing your work. Every one of these fields is a slide. So I start off with a title slide. I'm also going to have a citation slide. The point of this is the arrow tells me that these two are connected. There's going to be a button from the title slide that goes to citations and one from citations that goes to title. So the only way to get to citations is from that first title slide. Now the title slide will be connected to an information slide. The information slide will be connected back to the title slide. That's why there's 2 arrows on this. Likewise, information has 3 buttons. You can go from there to Geography 1, you can go to Art 1, or you can go to Religion 1. You can't go back. No second arrow. Religion 1 has a button to Religion 2, Religion 2 has a button to Religion 3, and Religion 3 goes all the way back to the information slide. So these arrows are symbols to help you keep track of what your connections are going to do. So for my game layout right here, I have an information slide that gives them information on 3 different things that then takes them back to information and they can go back to the title. The title is also connected to playing a game. So from the game, they need to know the rules. Now for this, I made a different text box. In fact, I saved a template so I can make more copies and not have to make a new text box every time. And the game needs to be connected to the rules. So I make sure that my drawing toolbars, drawing, make sure that's open. And this is going to be a one-way connection, yes. So I'm going to, for this one, choose a simple one-way arrow. This little red dot, there's 4 dots on here. Things will behave best if you can connect those. I'm going to click on that. Now it picks a weird spot, so I'm just going to pick up that and connect it to the rules. Right in the center. So now there has to be a button from, okay, let's play a game, to here's the rules of the game. The rules of the game will go to the first challenge. So you'll have a page with some information or something they're supposed to do and they need to make a choice. If they make the wrong choice, whatever that is, they go to a slide for the wrong choice. You decide what's going to be on that slide. Volcano blows up or a funny message or whatever you want. If that's the case, for wrong, they have to go back somewhere. And let's see, you probably want to send them back to the game slide. Notice I chose the elbow tool, and also this is 1 arrow, so now they have to go back through the cycle. If they got it right, okay, I don't have a slide for right, so I'm going to choose the template, copy it, paste it, move it down here, and label this right 1. Then if they got right 1, if that's the choice they made and the way they went, then they need to go on to the next challenge. Challenge 2. And I'll connect these with arrows. Once again, these are all one way. If they're right, then they get to go to the next step. Similarly, you may want to repeat this, so whenever they're wrong, they go to some terrible place and have to start over. Those are your choices. This tells you nothing about what's actually in each slide. It's just how the slides are going to connect to each other. Your challenge for phase 2 is to complete about a dozen of these, talk about in your group, and submit this for approval before you go ahead actually making slides. The only slide you should be making right now is if you're looking up resources, make your citation slide. Okay, turn this in for approval and learn how to use this tool. It will save you a lot of time.